How to enable community on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable community on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then go to your server and now click this one, click on it and then click settings, and now you need to find this one, enable community, click on it and then click get started, and now turn this one on and then click next and then click next again, and now you need to turn this one on and click this one, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.